Hi, I'm Amy.
And I'm Hannah, and we're fourth year students here at Husson for Occupational Therapy.
We're currently in our lab. We use this space for a lot of things like classes, exam preps. We do a lot in here to get ready to go out into the community and clinical practice, and we're able to utilize many different resources we have here in the lab before we go and start our careers as occupational therapists.
So we have three main classes that we do here. We have a pediatrics class, a mental health class, and a rehab class. This is a little glimpse of our pediatric class. We have this nice swing.
In the rehab classes, we learn a lot about transferring patients, making sure they're safe in their hospital settings, and we work with a lot of patients that are in the hospital or in outpatient trying to get home and be more independent. We have access to many materials and assessments that we learn how to use and will be helpful in the future mental health settings that we go into. Thanks for visiting the Occupational Therapy Lab. We hope you come and visit us.